Good morning, students. Myself Jaysri Parma. Welcome you all in GK session. Today we will learn chapter number 9, Our Heritage, the Monument of India. Are you familiar with the following heritage monument of India? Write the correct answer in the given space. So first, ये कौन सा टेम्पल है? विरूपक्षा टेम्पल. Virupaksha temple is located in Hampi in the Ballari district of Karnataka, India. It is a part of the group of monuments and Hampi designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The temple is dedicated to Lord Virupaksha, a form of Shiva. Lion capital of Ashoka. The lion capital of Ashoka is a sculpture of four aesthetic lions standing back to back, one an elaborate base that includes other animals. A graphical representation of it was adopted as the official emblem India in 1950. Sachi Stupa. The Sachi Stupa is located in the India state of Madhya Pradesh. It is one of the most ancient and famous Buddhist monuments in India. The Sachi Stupa was constructed in the honor of Lord Buddha by Emperor Ashoka in 3rd century. Humayun's tomb, Delhi. The 16th century tomb of the Mughal Emperor Humayun is the first of the great masterpiece of Mughal architecture, built interior of red sandstone and marble. Humayun's tomb is located in Delhi, India. Tughlaqabad Fort. The Tughlaqabad Fort is a ruined fort in Delhi. It was built by Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq in 1321. He was the founder of Tughlaq dynasty of the Delhi Sultanate of India. Brihadeswara Temple. It was built by Tamil king Raj Chol first and complete in 1010. Brihadeswara Temple is the first complete granite temple in the world. Around 16,000 tons of granite is said to be used to build the temple. Panchmahal. Panchmahal is a place in Fatehpur Sikri, Uttar Pradesh, India. The Panchmahal, meaning few level place, was commissioned by Akbar. This structure stands close to the Jainan quarters, which support the supposition that it was used for entertainment and relax. Red Fort. The Red Fort is a monument built in 1638 that rises 33 meters above Old Delhi. It was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. The fort is located in what is now the center of Delhi, India. It is made of red stone and marble. It was built on the right bank of the Yamuna River. Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is considered one of the most beautiful buildings in the world. It is located in the city of Agra in North India. A ruler named Shah Jahan had the Taj Mahal built is a monument and tomb for his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. Shah Jahan was a Muslim ruler of the Mughal Empire in India from 1628 to 1658. Hope you understood the video. Thank you.